Hi everyone, I'm Caleb from Wood for Leveling, and today I'm going to show you how to use our E2 Smart Level system. Now we're happy with our side. We have the option to put blocks under the van now if we need to get extra lift, so you can do that if you need to. What I'll do now is I'll show you how to use the keypad. Normally it's mounted on the wall inside the door. What you want to do is press power on, and in this case we're just going to press auto level. Now you have to have all the jacks in a fully retracted position for you to use the auto level function. Now I've finished with that camping, we're ready to pack up. Easy as turning the power back on and pressing all retract. As you can see, all jack lights have gone out, saying they're retracted, and you'll get the confirmation tone that it's done. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and enjoy back next time for some more tips and tricks.